guys, and you're welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be talking about the Pond's Super Light Gel. I'm talking about this one, and yeah, if you have heard a lot about it on internet and you want to know the truth, then please keep on watching. You do not get any kind of outer box, outer covering, packaging, anything with this. It retails for rupees 149. I have the smaller container and this is the 73 gram product. So 73 gram product for 149 rupees. You can also get it on discount. But the thing with this is it's always out of stock. You check it on Nykaa, you check it on Purple, you check it on Amazon. Most of the time it's out of stock, especially the smaller tub. It's always out of stock. It comes from a reputed brand and a trusted brand and long-lived brand like Pond's. So of course it's a trustable brand, and it claims to be a super light gel. By super light gel I mean I had also done a review on Ekte Glass Skin Gel in one of my previous videos, very recently uploaded. Do check that out if you haven't, because it's a bomb sunscreen. Yeah, it's for non-sticky glowing skin, hyaluronic acid plus vitamin E. That's what the product claims here. We all know that hyaluronic acid is good to make your skin look very plump. It gives like a plumpy skin and a very fresh looking skin. So that's what it's supposed to clear off the dead skin layer of your face, and then it builds up a fresh layer, giving your skin very plumpy and fresh, watery, glowy kind of look. So that's what hyaluronic acid does. It also comes with vitamin E. Vitamin E, we all know, has a lot of skin benefits. Talking about the fragrance, I absolutely love it. It's more like it's like the Dream Flower talc in very concentrated form. It's more strong Dream Flower talc fragrance and a mix of aqua in it, if that makes sense. So that's how it smells, and I love the smell. So the consistency is like a gel. This is what the product looks like as in the gel form. I would also apply it on my skin and show you. So yes, it looks like this. Sorry for the reflection on camera. So this is more like a gel, and this is what the consistency looks like. You see this? Yeah, so this is the consistency. It gets absolutely dissolved. Moisturizing property lasts for a good time, like for 4 to 5 hours, and even if you apply this more than 2 times, like if you reapply this moisturizer, I don't think that would be a problem, because it's a gel based moisturizer, so it doesn't give you any sticky feeling. It doesn't give you any heavy feeling kind of on your skin. The last time when I reviewed the Ekte sunscreen gel, I told you that once you apply, it's more like, it was also a gel, but it was like a water-based gel. So when you apply a water-based gel, when I applied that, and I was kind of dissolving it into my skin, it was like almost washing my hands with water. It was that lightweight. However, this is not that lightweight, but I don't have problem with it, because that was a glass skin sunscreen and I cannot compare a sunscreen and a moisturizer altogether. But I'm just talking about the water-like formula of both the products, and this is definitely non-sticky, and it would definitely work for oily skin tones, skin type. I'm just going to apply this on my face and show you how this looks like. So this is the kind of consistency of the gel, and once I start mixing, you see how this gets dissolved. So you see, it's a very light moisturizer. I have just used it on one side of my skin. I don't have much on my face right now, except for a moisturizer that I had already worn. I had worn this moisturizer even before. So yeah, so you see, it just gets dissolved. I don't feel like I'm wearing anything right now. Looks very supple, very clear, and of course very light on skin. It's very nice. It feels very, my skin feels like, you get this kind of plumpy look, if that's visible on camera. So you get the kind of plumpy feel. You get the kind of plumpy feel. And if you see this side of my face, I haven't applied it, but there is a difference. That is because it's a gel based moisturizer with hyaluronic acid and gives you a nice plumpy looking skin. So if you I think if I had to rate the product out of 5, I would rate it 4, because I believe 1 star would be deducted, because I feel like when you are using a gel based or a water based moisturizer, it should feel like you are not wearing anything on your face. Of course, to the viewers, it's like there's nothing, but the feeling of wearing something on your face, you get that from this moisturizer, and I don't personally like that, especially after using the 8-day sunscreen gel. So yeah, but apart from that, I think it does its work best, works like a good primer, works like a good moisturizer underneath your makeup, and also it's very light. The fact that I can reapply it whenever I want to without it looking heavy on my skin, or without anything showing up on my skin, is the best thing about of a lot of times I have seen this to be compared with the Neutrogena Hydro Boost, which is definitely comparable. I mean, this product is definitely comparable. The price difference is this. I mean, Neutrogena is somewhere around 8 to 900, whereas this is for 150 rupees. So for the affordable people and for people who are looking for drugstore products, under certain range, this is very good. This is like a blessing for them. And yeah, I love the fact that Pond's has come up with something very different in terms of its moisturization. They have come up with something of a really, really good formula. I would highly recommend this even to people with dry skin, combination skin, and even oily skin. This would not be a waste product for you. This would always be useful product. For dry skins, if you want to wear something underneath your makeup, this would definitely help you. For oily skin, this is the best. It is very, very, very positive, and I think the hype about it on internet and everywhere else, the fact that it always goes out of stock, is actually right. It is bound to go out of stock, and I hope you found the review helpful. If you are looking forward to purchase it, whatever skin type you are, just go for it. This is a good product. So yeah, that was all about it. I really hope you enjoyed watching it, and if this video helped you, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.